And let me just say, the TikTok girly, no one is touching the TikTok girlies when it comes on to affordable perfumes. Shout out to him for actually getting me flowers every 2 weeks. Like, I love you, babe. Even though we're kind of beefing. So good morning. I'm here trying to do my hair in Boohoo Goddess braids. I'm almost done, but there's 2 braids here that I did last night. I guess I was tired when I did them that I need to redo, so I gotta pull them out. And I actually did braids with the knots. I know everybody loved their knotless, but I have fine to medium density here, so the whole knotless thing don't last very long in my hair. It literally lasts about 2 weeks, and then it looks like I've had my braids in for 3 months. And also I added here, and I'll show you the hair that I used. I added in here because I wanted some length. A lot of people actually do this style with their natural hair and it comes out great. If you have the length, like, it would look good, but I don't have long hair, nor do I want long hair really. But yeah, these 2 braids I need to turn into 3 braids. I also need to wash Milani's hair, but Milani's outside with her brothers and her sister in the pool while I try to finish this. When I'm done doing my hair, then I'm gonna straighten up a little bit, and then I will wash her hair, because today is wash day. Today is definitely wash day for her. And she is in her terrible two era. She doesn't really want me in her hair like that. So now, instead of every week, I wash her hair every 2 weeks. And it's been working out really good for us. When it comes on to the 2nd week here, I literally just turn her old styles into a new style, and I'll insert pictures of how I do that and kind of like freshen up her hair. This is too small. So this is the hair that I use. I almost used the whole pack, and I cut it in half to get this shoulder length. If you want it longer, you probably use like 2 or 3 packs. Oh. Sunday, so I'm gonna watch my show. I'm watching Legacies on Netflix. I just finished watching First Kill, but I'm watching Legacy and I'm gonna do my hair. So see you in a few when I actually dip my hair and do the finished look. So why is it so dark? Probably because I'm in a different room. But anyway, Milani, stop taking it off. Stop. Why is this girl keep taking all the thing off the door? So I put a screen on the door so you can't see inside or outside. Her and her brother keeps taking it off. Let me turn on this light. But look at mommy's hair. Mommy's hair is... Look. Her hair is giving what it's supposed to give. And she won't stay still so I can get a picture or a video of it. I just washed her hair and did her hair. Her hair is super duper cute. Get off my Amazon boxes. So this is my flower arrangement for the next 2 weeks. I normally get flowers every 2 weeks because that's how long they last in our household. And I had my favorite candy right here, but the kids ate them. Not really mad about that. But I love my flowers. Thank you, babe. I love them. They make me super happy. Shout out to him for actually getting me flowers every 2 weeks. Like, I love you, babe. Even though we're kind of beefing, I love you. But yeah, these are my flowers. They're pretty. So I'm building Milani's hair collection and I needed something to organize it. And I got this off Amazon.
Word, Lord, have mercy. Booty so big, word, Lord, have mercy. So big, word, Lord, have mercy. Booty so big, word, Lord, have mercy.
I don't know. It's gonna be the first one, second one, last one. I'm doing from lightest to heavy. Look at my Fenty cream blush that I just bought. This is what Milani just did. She's trying to put on my makeup. Milani. Your dad's gonna bite back. I literally just bought this. Pencil too, look like. I'm gonna go clean these kids up and call it a day. Good morning. So yesterday y'all saw Milani actually ruining my Fenty Beauty makeup, but today I wanted to do like a quick little haul of some of the stuff that I got from Amazon and kind of show y'all my nails. I did my own nails and they came out pretty okay for my first time. Well, lies. This is my second time. The first time I did it, it didn't come out good, and I'll insert a picture, but I learned and this is how they look. I wish this thing would focus. I just got up, so I wanted to show you guys. This is the only time I literally can get any quiet in my house. So I got these sets, these gym sets. I actually got these in a medium because all my gym clothes are big around the waist area and I'm kind of sick of rolling up the waist. I actually got another set coming, and I got that in large, and I wish I had got it in a medium, but if it don't fit, I'll just return it. It comes with this. I got a pack of 3, so it comes with 3 shorts, and then the top comes with 3 top, and then the bottom is the gray one, and then the top was the purple top. I wore that purple top I think day before yesterday. It looks so good. It actually goes well with one of my Shein pants. I wore the purple top with one of my Shein scrunch butt leggings. It looked so good. Babe couldn't keep his eyes off my butt, okay? I'll insert a picture of the pants and the top together. But yeah, these fit amazing, and I got these in a medium. And the reason why I got them in a medium, they're a little bit tight, but I would rather them be tight, and when I continue to lose weight, they fit a little bit better than them be big, because now a lot of my old gym clothes that I had from January, they're big in the waist. So I'm either gonna have to get them altered or keep rolling them, because that's what I do. I fold the top of my gym shorts and my gym pants. So yeah. So let's talk about fragrances. And let me just say, the TikTok girly, no one is touching the TikTok girlies when it comes on to affordable perfumes. Love my YouTube girlies, but they be pushing the expensive perfumes. When you want affordability, check TikTok, because they got you. I actually have 2 perfumes in my cart on Amazon right now that I want, and after I got this one right here, I'm gonna add the other one that's on Amazon, because this is giving. So this is let's start from this one. So I went on there to get the Mix Bar Vanilla Bourbon, because Fumi, perfume expert enthusiast on TikTok, said it smells amazing and it lasts long. And I went on there to get it, but I could not, absolutely could not find it. They only had the Tangerine Squeeze number 6, and I got it. And this is giving citrus, summer, Mamiana. I'm out to have fun with the girls in the garden. This is what this is giving. And I'm not a very citrusy girl, and I actually like how this smells. I like how it dries down. It's not too citrusy and it's not overbearing. It's just a nice summer citrusy perfume. Normally I'm a vanilla, musk, blackcurrant type of girl. If you want to know my signature scent, I love Libre. Let's get to the other one. So if you're looking for something that's vanilla, have vanilla and musk in it, like this would be like a signature fragrance for me, because this is up my alley, and I feel like this wears, like vanilla flavors and musk wears long on my skin. And this is the Vanilla and Musk by Cody. And this is giving sweet. This is giving cotton candy. This is giving, I'm going out to dinner. This is what this is giving. If you don't like sweet scents, I don't think this would be for you. And then last but not least, I got this. This is actually a Arabic perfume. This is actually not a perfume. This is an oil. This is a perfume oil. And when I say this thing is strong, it is strong. I'm actually gonna go on Amazon and I'll add the other 2 that they have on there, because baby, this right here with my other perfumes from like Dossier and Guess that I'm building my perfume collection, this is gonna go perfect. Okay, this is like a fresh, good smelling baby, like Princess Diana when she was a baby. Like, it's soft. I don't even know how to explain it. This is, and I blind bought this because a girl on TikTok said it smells amazing and it goes great with a lot of other perfumes, especially if you like musk and vanilla flavor. This goes great. And this is strong as hell. Okay, I blind bought this and I got to say I'm absolutely glad I did. I'm gonna go on Amazon and get the other two. I don't know about you, but I'll link everything in the description box. And people always ask me, where is the link to this? Where can I get this? It's always in the description box. If I don't put it in the description box, more than likely is because I forgot. So let me go get the rest of the stuff because it's actually done. So I got some alcohol pads, sterile alcohol pads. This is great because I'm gonna actually start trying to do my own nails. So I got some alcohol pads. These are great to keep in the house for when babe cuts his hand or the kids cut themselves and stuff like that. I also got a file, one of these file, and it comes with these. And it comes with also these, and I've been using these. These are actually really good. And you just plug it in the wall, which I like a lot. Don't mind at all. I also got these. This is a kit, and you use this to take off your nails. Hi, Milani. Why Milani just got up? I got this big thing. Hi, Mommy. I got this big thing of nails. And these are ballerina. These are how they look. Those are like my favorite type of nail shape. And this is the easy pack. This came, a lot of them spilled and a lot of them are not in the correct place. This was just a mess. I wish I bought a different one, but that's not right there. I got me some cuticle oil, and I actually use this. It's actually good. And then I got the Modelo's nail dehydrator and nail primer. And I also got this. This right here is amazing. This actually cut your nails evenly and where you want it, so you don't have to guess if your nails are too long or too short or anything like that. So I highly recommend this. And this was like $4 or $5, and it gives your nail that shape that you like. Like, I like my nail to be shaped perfectly, and this does that. I also had the Beetle system, the $19 system, but I couldn't find the nails. I don't know where the hell I did with the nails. So I have the UV light and I have the nail gel, and I'm gonna tell you, if you want to get the system, get it, because this nail glue, I actually tried this nail glue with some press-ons and they lasted like 2 weeks. I couldn't even take them off my damn hand. So this nail glue and the light, perfection. Get it. It's a pack of 6 gel nail color, and B160 is the one that I have on my fingers right now. This is like my perfect nude, and even when I put 1 to 2 coats, that's what I'm gonna do the next time, put 1 to 2 coats on my nails, it looks so pretty. And I have like others, and it was affordable. It was like $17.99 for 6 different gel polishes. I couldn't complain. I also got this Car Lash acrylic powder from Amazon. It's like 0.5 ounces. I just want to test it out. I want to see if I can do acrylic, but that's going to be later on because I'm trying to perfect the whole Gel X system first before I try to move on to acrylic and gel. And then I got the Amelia Builder Base right here, and I also got me some other colors. So I got the gel in different colors, so like light pink, nude, different shades of nude basically. And yeah, those are the stuff that I got for. I also got 2 wigs, but I'm not gonna go back in there and get them. I also got 2 wigs. I'll insert the pictures of, not 2 wigs, I got 1 wig and a drawstring ponytail. So those are the stuff that I got from Amazon Prime Day because your girl is gonna try to do her own nails. And also I tried the whole, that's why the first set of nails didn't come out good. I tried the whole for like using a builder base as your nail glue, and it didn't work. They actually kept popping off, so I would rather my Beetles glue. It did not work for me. I dehydrated, primed, used a base. I have my Market base that I use for my from my polygel kit, and it did nothing. Okay, it's super hard to actually keep bubbles out of the base when you're trying to use it as glue, so I wouldn't suggest that. Definitely get the Beetles nail glue. It didn't work for me. I don't know how a lot of people keeps promoting it and saying that it works, because it definitely didn't work for me. And a lot of people in the comment section of these videos that I see are saying that it didn't work for them either, so I'm not alone. But yeah, that is my quick little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I need to go get ready for the gym, and I'll see y'all later. So happy Sunday. You guys are actually gonna see this. The last time you saw me was Friday when I went to the gym. I'm actually getting ready now to go out to breakfast. I'll probably be vlogging on my phone. But happy Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and you're getting ready for your week, whether that be school or work. But you guys will probably see this vlog today, so happy Sunday. This video was kind of hectic and all over the place this week because I didn't really do much. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for showing support. I love you guys. My life is pretty repetitive, so sometimes I don't be having anything to vlog really, and I try to switch it up. I don't like my content being boring.
No, over here. Over there. Here.
Outfit is from Amazon. Shein shoes. Steve Madden bag. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.